And go ahead and turn the box around. Okay, we can undo the box. Okay. Good. I guess you would like some containers to put those in, eh? You're going to dump them on the table, is that okay?
Yep, that's fine.
Oh, that's cute. So, show me what you got there when you finish building. Now keep in mind that this camera is the one that's seeing you up close.
That's the Mandalorian N1 Starfighter.
And so these green things shoot out, eh?
Yeah, but be careful you don't launch them because they shoot pretty fast and hard. You might poke an eye out.
Yep, there's one on the kitchen floor.
Yep, bounced off
So what do you
the
think
camera.
of this?
This is pretty cool.
Cute, eh?
Yep.
And spin them around. Nice little thing. All right. Thanks for tuning in to this build. See you next time. Bye.